How do I troubleshoot issues with my Roblox gift card not working?
Hello, Roblox enthusiasts. If you're facing issues with your Roblox gift card not working, don't fret. Today, we'll dive into how you can troubleshoot and potentially resolve this issue. Remember, it's always important to double-check all the details of your card to ensure you're entering the right information.
Is the gift card activated?
Let's start with the basics. The first thing you need to make sure of is that your Roblox gift card is activated. Retailers typically activate a gift card at the time of purchase, but mistakes can happen. If your card is not activated, you will need to return to the store where it was purchased to have it activated.
Have you entered the PIN correctly?
Entering the PIN incorrectly is a common mistake, which can prevent you from redeeming your gift card. When entering the PIN, be sure to double-check for any typos or errors. Be cautious about 0, 0, and 1I confusions. Also, make sure you are entering the PIN in the correct field on the Roblox website or app.
Are there any geographic restrictions?
Many gift cards have geographic restrictions. This means that a card purchased in one country may not work in another. Check if your Roblox gift card is applicable in your region. If not, you may need to contact Roblox customer service or the retailer where you bought the gift card to inquire about potential solutions.
Is the card expired?
Next, you want to check the expiration date. Many people are not aware that gift cards can expire. Look for an expiration date on the card or the packaging. If your gift card is expired, you will need to contact Roblox customer service for assistance.
Has the card already been redeemed?
Another possible issue could be that the card has already been redeemed. You might not be the one who redeemed it, especially if it was a used card or a gift. In this case, you will need to contact Roblox customer service to verify if the card has been used and to find a solution. We hope this guide has been helpful in your quest to troubleshoot your Roblox gift card. Patience and persistence are key here, and if all else fails, reaching out to Roblox customer service can be a solid final step. Game on, folks!